Hi, welcome to the Vision Toolkit. This is Maddie Brown, the Conscious CPA, and I am offering this to you to go through and create a vision for the financial picture of your business. Now, there are a series of audios. There's one entitled My Story. There's one entitled Step 1 Vision Goals. There's one entitled Step 2 Personal. There's one entitled Step 3 Business. And there's a Step 4 Target. And there is a summary. Now, these are short audios, and there are PDF worksheets that you can complete as instructed by each of the audios. This is not going to take you a very long time to do. It's very simple, and it's a step-by-step process, and I hope you find it enlightening. Have a great day, and feel free to contact me if you have any questions. My email address is maddie@maddiebrown.com, and if you would like to schedule an appointment, my 800 number is 1-800-873-1456. Strategy sessions for a 30-minute period are always free. So feel free to give me a call and let's get your vision underway. Thank you.